What's the meaning of black hole? Black hole. Black hole.
Black hole. Black hole. A black hole is a region in space where the gravitational pull is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape. It is formed when a massive star undergoes a supernova and collapses under its own gravity, creating a singularity. The boundary around the black hole beyond which nothing can escape is called the event horizon. Black holes are invisible to the naked eye but can be detected through their effects on nearby matter. Some of the properties of black holes include their mass, spin, and electric charge. They play a crucial role in our understanding of the universe, particularly in the study of gravitational waves and the behavior of galaxies.